How would you like to make some extra cash simply using your smartphone like you already do? Hey, it's Leah Ray from ToddandLeahRay.com, and in this video, I'm going to give you 4 different apps that you can use that are going to pay you to simply use your smartphone. Now, on this channel, we're all about teaching you how to create time freedom and financial freedom that you and your family deserve. Now, these apps are super simple and a way to make money without actually really working. So obviously, you're not going to make a ton, of money with this. This isn't full-time type income. This is just a little extra cash that you can make on the side. But if you're interested in how to generate a full-time income online, then make sure that you click the link at the top of the description to get access to our training to teach you just how to do that. Now, all 4 of these apps have the same basic principles. They're basically going to pay you to advertise on the lock screen of your phone. So whenever you unlock your phone, they're going to give a little ad. You can swipe right through it and move on, and then unlock your phone. Or if you're actually interested in their offer, you can actually swipe up or to the other side or whatever to access the offer that they're providing. Now, the first one that we're going to talk about today is called Screen Lift. And this I have as the number 1 because it seems like it actually has the highest earning potential, though there is one drawback. Now, this is their main website that they have online. You can check them out here, get some information on them, but just like I said, you're simply going to download the app, set it up, and then whenever you use your phone, when you go to unlock it, it's going to give you an ad. And when you see that ad, you make money. Now, here's a quick user testimony, just real people, and I verified this. Real people are making real money with these apps. Now, Shelly says after 2 months, she made $40 using this app, doing nothing special, just simply using her phone. So like I said, this isn't full-time income in any way, but having $40 is better than not having $40, right? And if you don't have to actually do any extra work for it, why not make some extra cash from your phone? Now, if we head over to Google Play, we can actually get the reviews for this app in particular. So on Google Play, it actually has 4.3 out of 5 stars. So that's actually really high rating, and it does have over 1,000 reviews, which is great. Now, some of the main complaints, some people have had some glitches going on with the software, but other folks are just saying they love it. They just downloaded it. Wife already cashed out for $5. I'm waiting for $25. So people are definitely making money with this app. Now, what is the downside to Screen Lift? It's simply that they're not paying you in cash. You're not going to get this transferred to you via PayPal. It's going to allow you to cash out in gift cards, Walmart gift cards, Amazon gift cards, or Google Play gift cards, which I'm sure all of us could use. You can almost buy anything in the world with those 3 types of gift cards, but just so you know, you're not getting cash in your pocket. Not with this one, but other ones you will see you will. Another benefit of Screen Lift is that it has a really low cash out amount. So you only need to earn $1 before you can cash out. It's not something that you have to do for months and months before you see anything. You can cash out pretty quickly. Now, the second app is called Slidejoy. Again, it's the same idea. You go to unlock your phone, you have to slide through the ad before you unlock your phone. No extra work, and you can get paid. Very similar concept. Now, a couple of differences we see off the bat. It has a $2 limit, which again is actually pretty low. So just a $2 limit to cash out. And when I say cash out, with Slidejoy, you can actually get cash. So they will transfer the funds to your PayPal account, which is great. So here you're not necessarily working with gift cards like you would with the previous one. Some feedback that the users are giving: love this app, get paid for using your phone. Genius. I like the concept and hope this app grows. Sleek design, surprisingly not frustrating, does not feel like spam. Good way to make a few extra bucks. There also is a level of legitimacy with this. You can see this has been mentioned on various websites and news organizations talking about ways people can make money from their phones. Now, when you do earn money, they also have a unique thing that they offer. You can choose to keep your money and get it paid out to you through PayPal, but you could also donate it. So if you have a heart for charity, this might just be something that you should do and set up so that you're donating all of your proceeds. Now, if we head over to Google Play, let's look at the reviews. 4.3 stars out of over 96,000 reviews. That's incredible. That is a crazy amount of reviews, and that's really good for this type of app. Biggest complaint again seems to be about glitches or things with the software, but that's still a really good review overall. Now, the third option is Fronto, or also listed as Mint. I think they went through a rebranding at some point, but you can find the app using either name. Now, this is their main website. They got a nice little video that explains how it all works. Same process. When you unlock your phone, you're going to see an ad. Now, they actually give a little detail on what kind of ads you'll see. You'll see trending articles, flash deals, coupons, latest news apps. That's the type of things that you're going to see with their app. Now, how do they pay out? They pay out via PayPal, through Amazon gift cards, or you can actually purchase coupons with your points that you acquire. Now, this app has been around for a very long time, and they've paid out over $5 million, and they've been downloaded over 9 million times. So this definitely has some legitimacy. It has some meat behind it. It's been around for a while and has been working for a while. Now, if we look over in Google Play, you'll see that it's listed as Mint Screen. So this is the rebranding that they're moving towards. it looks like. So for the stars, you have 4.1 stars out of 5, over 2,000 reviews. Same sort of idea. Many people like it. The people who are complaining are either talking about glitches or the fact that it doesn't pay much. Like I said, guys, you're not going to create full-time income with this. If you have the right expectation, you'll be happy. If you don't have the right expectation, it's not worth your time. And number 4, Smore. Who doesn't like that name? S'mores are delicious. That's the name of the app, Smore. It's the Smore app. Same exact concept. You get it by now. Just looking at ads when you unlock your phone. If we head over to the Google Play Store, you'll see it here, 4.0 stars out of 5 stars and 18, almost 19,000 reviews. That's a lot of reviews. Some folks are concerned about some glitches and things they've been seeing, but for people like Steven here, really like the app. Payout is almost instant. You can withdraw all points in one go. Plus, it gives you some additional ways to make more points, get more payout by doing surveys or watching videos. Now, you'll see a downside here. Just like with ScreenLift, they're not going to pay you out via PayPal. They will pay you out via gift card. So what kind of gift cards do they offer? They say Amazon.com, Target, CVS, GameStop, Starbucks, and more. So obviously you will find a way to spend the money. So is this something that you want to do? Simply make some extra cash every single month by using your phone? Let me know. And I definitely want to hear if you're going to donate your proceeds to a charity. I think that's awesome. Now remember, if you want to create substantial full-time income online, grab access to that training in the description. I'll make sure that there's links to all of these websites in the description as well so you can check them out. Please know we're here for you to help you create time freedom, create financial freedom for you and your family. So if you're new to the channel, if that's what you're looking for, time freedom, financial freedom, well, you better subscribe and then we can help you out. When you do, say hello and we'll welcome you to the community. Again, this is Leah Rae from toddandleahrae.com. Head over to this video that should be up here floating above my head and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.